Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia and I'm back with a first impressions video. Unfortunately, it is not a full face of first impressions because I'm not rich and I don't get PR, so I buy everything myself with my hard working money. I do have foundation, I have a translucent powder, I have bronzing, I have everything, almost everything except for eyes and eyebrows and concealer. Anyways, I have a lot of stuff but not everything. I just want also to say thank you to everyone for all of your love and support. I appreciate it so much. If you guys are not a part of my little family, please join by subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you guys know every time I upload. Also, excuse my voice, I am still recovering from being sick with whatever the hell I was sick with. I think it's a flu, but it was like a deadly flu. Anyways, so that is it. So if you guys want to see how I like these new products, if I do like them or not, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by moisturizing my lips. I'm using the Smith's Strawberry Lip Balm. This is like my favorite lip balm, so this is not new. It's just, I can't do anything if my lips, my hands, like if I'm not moisturized, I just can't do anything. I'm also gonna moisturize my skin. This is new. I got this 2 days ago. I actually tried it like right before doing my makeup, and one thing I noticed is that it is not as moisturizing as I wish it was. This is the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Nourishing 24-hour day and night moisturizing cream, and it's a face moisturizer. It comes in like this little pot thingy, and I just feel like I have to apply again because I just feel like it didn't do the job. I'm a dry skin girl, so I like my stuff to be like really heavy and like oily. First, I'm going to prime L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer, and I don't have any illuminating primer, so I want to see how this is going to work. I'm excited because us dry skin girls, you know, we know the struggle of like items or like product that everyone likes, and like we don't like them because our skin is different. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. I like that. So I'm just gonna put some. It has like a light pink color. So this claims to have a glow. It preps and it blurs. So that's what I need. Like a medicating scent. I do see the glow in the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I do see a glow. It has like a little bit of a blurring effect, but not that much. I like it. I like the feeling. It has like a tacky finish. I like that. For foundation, this is the new Maybelline 24-hour foundation in Warm Sun. It is the Super Stay Full Coverage foundation, and I like myself some full coverage. I heard some mixed reviews. Does this has a pump? Oh my god. Ugh, Maybelline has listened to our prayers. I love the Fit Me foundations, but I finished both of my Pro Matte and my dewy ones from the Fit Me range, and the only reason I haven't repurchased is one, because they're not on sale right now, so and two, because they don't have a pump, and that's like annoying, you know, so it's kind of like ugh. Anyways, I took the color 334 because I am tanned because I came back from my trip. So guys, all my foundations don't match right now. So I'm just gonna pounce this in my skin using the Real Technique sponge. I used to love this sponge. Oh no, no. This doesn't move. This dries down quickly. it's kind of hard to blend right now because it like settled. The coverage is like okay because I have this birthmark right here. Not even this one, like this one I don't care for, I can like leave it there, but this one, like, a good foundation is supposed to be able to cover it because it's not that dark. I do like the finish though. It has a really pretty finish. So I applied concealer and I used the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I always use this. I didn't have a new concealer to show you guys. So now for powder, I'm really excited to show you guys this. This is the Original Formula Airspun Loose Face Powder. I used it twice. I like it a lot. I just hate the smell. It smells like grandma perfume. One thing is that it does live up to the hype. Really worth your money. I think it was like $7 with shipping. It was like altogether it came up to like less than $20, and that's a good price for like a loose powder, especially with like everything you get inside. So I'll be using that to set my under eyes. And honestly, the powder looks so pale, but it works on like even like the darkest like skin tones, like the richer skin tones. Like it works like on everybody. So to set the rest of my face, I'm using this Gosh mineral powder in 06. I got this at Pharmaprix, which is like Shoppers Drug Mart, and the whole Gosh collection is 75% off because they're discontinuing it. And I remember I have this eyeshadow quad from Gosh that I really like, so I'm like, let's pick up something. So I picked up a primer, which I already used and I really like. It's like a hydrating primer. But I also picked up this powder and I'm going to use it to set the rest of my face. So it's in number 6 and it is pretty dark. Not dark, but like it's darker than like a translucent powder, you know? So this is just to like set. So now to bronze. I'm really excited about this product. I went to Marshall's, which is like Winners here in Montreal. They had the Anastasia contour kit. I found the contour kit, and this is in the tan to deep contour kit, and this was $25. And the same day I went to Sephora and it was $52 at Sephora. So get on that Marshall's deals, girl. It comes with 6 colors. This is my first time trying contour powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to be using the middle shade right here, and I'm going to bronze my skin. Ooh. So it applies very smooth. It doesn't smell like anything. So far so good. I think this really works really well and it lives up to the hype. I really like it. So now for blush, I got this Pro Artist blush palette from Style Essentials. Also, I got this palette for like, I think like $6 or something. And it comes with all of these blush colors. And I think they're so cute. So I'm gonna go in. I already know which colors I want to go into. I want to go into this one, which is like a natural type of mauve bronze shade. I don't know. Oh wow, this is like pretty pigmented for like such an inexpensive blush palette. So for highlight, I'm gonna be using a product that I already used and tried. It's like a rose goldy shade, but it didn't show up, like it wasn't beaming on my skin because I was so pale. It kind of like matched my skin tone more. So I'm retrying it for the first time after like months, of like not touching it. So I'm just gonna go in. So it's kind of like a first re-impression-ish. See, it shows up so much more. If you are like this shade that I am or darker, this is going to be, even like, the darker girls, gonna be so nice on them. So nice. This wing came out so nice, and this one came out like trash. If you like this amount of highlight, you think that's enough for you, then good for you. You don't need to add any more highlight. But for me, I want a little more. So I'm gonna go into the Laura Geller highlighter. I feel like this is the only highlighter that goes well on fair skin and to like dark skin. Like it's like the perfect in between of like gold and champagne. But I feel like you really need to like put it on top of another highlighter. So for lips, when I went to Sephora, I bought an item that I'm gonna be showing you guys after, but I also got this Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm, but it's like a sample. So I'm gonna try that for you guys. It's so cute, right? Comes in like this little capsule thingy. There's actually like quite a lot in this sample. Oh, I like it. It feels hydrating. I like it. So the product I got at Sephora was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, and I feel like I was the only one on this planet that didn't have this lip gloss, so I got it. This is $23 at Sephora, by the way. Oh wow. So pretty. It's really nice. I like it. It has like a scent, obviously, that like reminds me of like my like childhood. It's weird. So that is the finished look, you guys. The items that I really like, most of the things that I tried. I really like the Airspun powder, the gloss, the contour palette, even the highlight. I really liked it. It wasn't like, it's a good like everyday type of highlight, and I'm not that type of girl. So if you guys are a very subtle highlight type of person, I would really suggest that highlight. So yeah, so my top picks would be these two, the palette and the lip gloss. The foundation, I think I still have to try it. I'll come back later tonight with an update with if it's like settling in my fine lines or anything. Okay, so I'm back. So sorry for the lighting change and stuff. I just finished my shift. I was at work, and I don't know if I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little. So I literally have nothing. There's a slight crease right here, but that's nothing compared to what I usually have to deal with. I usually have to like take this brush and like pat it down, but there's like barely anything. The only thing I had to touch up during my shift was the lip gloss, which I really like. I started filming at like 2, not 1, and it is now almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:55 and the foundation still looks good. It looks good. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.